In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate Lazada Wallet. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Lazada on your device and sign in into your account. Now in here, go ahead and head over into your account section by clicking on the account button. Now scroll down and click on the view button beside the My Lazada Wallet and you'll get redirected into your Lazada wallet. Click on that verify your basic wallet account to secure your transactions. Now in this section, go ahead and enter your first name, middle name, last name, birth date, along with your occupation. So these are the basic information that Lazada needs from you to be able to activate your Lazada wallet. So go ahead and enter the required information and proceed on creating or activating your Lazada wallet. After you enter all of the information required, click on that submit button and that will be submitted to Lazada. So now your Lazada wallet is activated. Now if you want to fully verify your wallet on that, and in this section you'll need to provide an ID. If you're a Filipino citizen, you can select from this ID types that you can use to verify your Lazada wallet account. Now if you're a foreigner, just go ahead and click on that I'm a foreigner section and you'll be able to view the specific ID that you can use to verify your Lazada wallet. So as you can see in here, you'll need your passport to be able to verify your Lazada wallet if you're a foreigner. Now select an ID type and that will redirect you into the camera section. You'll need to take a photo of the front and the back of your ID and submit that photo to Lazada to be able to fully verify your Lazada wallet. And that is how you can simply activate Lazada wallet. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.